Hi, Asta here. Today in Functions Part 2, we're going to be showing you on how to deliver embedded videos over to your customers or your clients, depending on what it is that they're requesting. This is perfect for course creators or video content creators. In the last previous function video, I showed you how to just trigger a flow. This is similar to that, but just with a little bit of a upgrade. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Amazing. So as you can see here, I'm in the Chatbot Builder AI dashboard. And the first thing you want to do is head on over to flows. Amazing. So here I'm going to click on add. I'm going to name this one my first AI chatbot. And over here, we're going to have a condition block as the starting node. So set as starting step. And what we're going to have is duplicate this. And what we're going to have is condition current channel. Current channel is web chat. Save. We're going to drop this one right to this node here. And the user doesn't match all of these conditions, we can drop to the bottom one. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add content and text. Now from here, what we want to do is we're going to grab the YouTube video and I'm just drag this one over. I'm going to click on share and I'm going to click on embed and copy, just like that. Then I'm going to head back over here, click on this and just drop it right in here. Boom, just like that. Now, for the user doesn't match all these conditions, let's say it's a different channel, it's not web chat. We want to have it as a card. So I'm going to click add content card and I'm going to show you how to set this up. I already have the thumbnail downloaded. So I'm just going to upload it very quickly, just like that. Then for the title, I'm just going to grab it from here. And I'm going to click on add button. And I'm going to say watch now. Open website. We'll go back to YouTube. We'll share and we'll just copy the link just here. We can drop that in. Now you can also do additional actions such as notify admins. So when someone clicks this button to watch the video, you can have something, for example, let me use this right now. I'm the only one here. So I can have something like first name has clicked the video, how to build my first AI chatbot. Boom. And then every time when someone clicks on that, you get a notification. So another thing you can also do is actions. So when they click on this, we can give them a tag, maybe for a drip campaign or, anything to like start off another step. Since it's their first time, maybe like a welcome email or something like that. But yes, right now we should click save. And this is the flow setup. Make sure it's published or published as held back over to functions. And the way we'll do this, use integrations, the default agent. This is the quickest and easiest way to have your chatbot up and running. So if you want more advanced things, with the default reply, you use default flow. That's the other one. But if you want to just get started right at the door, this is the perfect one to do. Now here, we're going to scroll down to functions and we'll set up the first function. Perfect. So over here, we're going to click on add and I'm going to name this one first AI chatbot. Yeah, that's fine. Allows the user to view the first AI chatbot tutorial video. We won't collect any data for this, but we'll trigger my first AI chatbot flow. So we'll click continue. Perfect. Now we want to head back over to settings, integrations, OpenAI. Perfect. So we're in settings, we'll head on over to integration, OpenAI, and you want to click edit on this. Over here, I'm just going to add it in very quickly. I'm just going to say something like import trigger let me just select it from here. First AI chatbot, trigger the first AI chatbot function if a user is asking about creating their first AI chatbot. Boom, perfect. More options, I have to keep it at 20 and then have the maximum output token at 4. You can have this however you want and choose the model from here. I'm going to click on continue and that's it. Now let's preview it. So I'm going to head on over to flows. I'm going to preview this on both channels. We're going to preview it on web chat and on Messenger. So you have an idea of what it looks like on both. Because the embed will not work with Messenger or other channels. It'll just give you the code. Amazing. So welcome message. Let's preview that here in web chat. Actually just get a normal welcome message. All right. Hello, how can I assist today? So I'm going to ask a question. What can you do? I can assist with various tasks, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So I'll just be like, awesome. Well, I'm trying to build my first AI chatbot and now you should trigger the function. Boom, just like that, and embed. Build your first AI chatbot in 10 minutes. And I can just click on this right here and watch the video play, just like that. Now, let's preview this in Messenger. So I'm gonna go over to Facebook I'm just gonna click on message. Should get the welcome message. I'll say, here, what can you do? Amazing. I'll say, awesome. Can you help me build my first AI chatbot? And boom, just like that, build your first AI chatbot in 10 minutes flat. You can just click watch now and it'll open up the YouTube tab with the video playing, just like that. So you would do the same setup with any of the other videos that you would want included. So you'd create a flow, add the embed video of the next video, set up the function the exact same way, and make sure you have a default reply in your functions and also in your business prompt on when to trigger it. I hope this video was helpful. I look forward to bringing you more videos. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.